Live team coverage continues now. KCAL's Lauren Pozen is live in Ventura, where an RV park suffered serious flooding already this week. Lauren.
Juan, take a look at this. Can you believe it? Just a few days ago, this entire RV park was basically underwater. The damage from all that relentless rain, so severe, the owner saying it's millions of dollars worth. It's so bad, he had to close the park down while he works to clean this up. This while he and the rest of Ventura County braces for another weekend of wet weather. Before Ventura County can even dry out, another storm is on its doorstep.
Hopefully, we'll be able to get it cleaned and reused again. If not, then it'll have to end up gone.
Richard Roderick says he still can't believe this is what's left of his mother's home in Ojai. Earlier this week, he says the creek behind it overflowed.
And bursted through the wall. Within 5-10 minutes, that we had about 6 or 8 inches of water, and then it started filling up even more.
The water damaging not just the structure of the home, but irreplaceable memories.
Everything is just destroyed. You know, these are family photos years ago, and of my brother and myself.
Roderick says his mom is staying with him and his wife next door. They're hoping for the best with this next storm.
You have that level of just a little bit of anxiety about it. You want to prepare. And as far as what we have done, you know, sandbags, getting ready for it.
Ventura County is getting ready too. Road closed signs are at the front of Highway 33 at Fairview Road in Ojai and Miners Oaks after heavy rains nearly crumbled the highway. Starting at 8 Saturday morning, Caltrans says no one will be able to go through and told people to stock up because it's not known how long the hard closure will be in place for. As for the Rodericks, they're taking things one storm at a time.
No one was hurt. We can always rebuild.
And Ventura County opened up its shelter today over at the fairgrounds. I'm told it's going to be open until Tuesday and people can bring their pets. Another noteworthy thing to mention tonight, we are expecting some high surf with this storm. And as great and cool as that looks, here in Ventura County, people are being warned to stay out of the water because earlier this week from those storms, there was a sewage spill and the water is still contaminated, so it's very dangerous. Reporting live in Ventura County, Lauren Pozen, KCAL News.
All right.